Hey everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing video. My name is Thomas and I'm from D1 Store, Australia's first and only DJI Authorised Retail store. Well, I've seen a few inches in my time, but none compared to this. Of course, we are talking about the new 1-inch CMOS sensor on the Pocket 3. Today we're going to have a look at the Pocket 3 Creator Combo. We're going to see what it comes with, what it can do, and if this is the right product for you. Alrighty, so let's see exactly what we get in this new Creator Combo. First thing we're going to see is, of course, the nice, neat little pencil case looking carry pouch, which is awesome. This just zips open and carries all your bits and bobs while you transport your Pocket 3 and all its components around, which is awesome. The Pocket 3 itself, as you can see, just there. And of course the wrist strap, very important, help you to avoid dropping it in the future. DJI Mic 2, which also comes with the windscreen and the magnet attachment, which goes just like that. That's how you can pin it to your clothing, just like I've got here with the original DJI mic. 1/4-inch tripod thread adapter. On the bottom here, you'll see a Type-C port, but obviously you can't put a tripod in there, so this little adapter allows you to do exactly that. Battery extender handle. Now this will give you up to 62% extra battery than you would get operating it without it, which is awesome, awesome, awesome. You also have that same adapter point on the bottom of the extended battery handle, which is awesome. Wide-angle lens. Now this will increase your field of view to 108 degrees, which is really, really great, allowing you to fit more into frame. Lastly, but not least, we have the protective case. Now your Pocket 3 will punch right in there, and this is actually quite sturdy, so you can slip it into your pocket or in and out of the case to protect it from harm, which is excellent. And we also have the Type-C to Type-C charging cable and your instructions. So this is everything that you'll get in the Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Now, let's talk about some specs. When we look at the design of the new Pocket 3, we can see that it is remarkably similar to the older Pocket 2. We've got the same 3-axis gimbal design, we've got the touchscreen, the joystick, the record button, the Type-C charging ports. It's very, very similar, albeit a little bit bigger. Most of the differences, of course, are behind the lens. The new Pocket 3 has a 1-inch CMOS sensor. Now that's actually 3 times larger than the previous generation. Talk about an upgrade. You can also shoot 4K video in HDR mode at 60 frames a second to really make those colors pop, or you can do 4K at 120 frames a second if you want to do super duper slow-mo. That's actually the same as the Action 4, so pretty versatile for a little kind of vlogging lifestyle camera. The Pocket 3 sports a 20mm equivalent f2.0 lens, which is absolutely perfect for vlogging. And if you want a wider shot, the magnetic wide-angle lens we spoke about before simply clicks on, and will give you roughly a 15mm shot, which is awesome. The Pocket 3, of course, is on a 3-axis gimbal, which is going to smooth out all of your minute movements for things like walking or running around, anything like that. It's going to make it look really, really smooth and professional. And to those of you on the more professional end of the scale, the Pocket 3 supports 10-bit D-Log-M and HLG shooting modes, allowing you to fine-tune your images in post-production for a much more professional finish. And now we're going to talk about my absolutely favorite new addition to the Pocket 3, and that's this. This new 2-inch OLED touchscreen is 700 nit brightness and supports a full color range. It makes editing on the fly, looking at your footage and moving through the menu just so easy, and a massive improvement from the older generation Pockets, where the screen was quite small, and if you've got big hands like me, it made it very difficult to navigate through that menu. If you want to film a TikTok or something else in vertical, all you have to do is flick that screen and the Pocket will match the orientation of the screen. This orientation changing OLED screen makes it absolutely amazing for you to view all your footage in all its glory without any cropping at all. Let's talk through some main points now. The Pocket 3 has a maximum operation time of 2.5 hours, or 166 minutes to be exact. If you want longer, you can simply click in the battery extended handle for an additional 100 minutes of recording time. The Pocket 3 has omnidirectional stereo recording achieved by 3 microphones. There's one on either side and one at the back just here. If you want cleaner audio than that, you can also use the DJI Mic 2, which will give you up to 10 meters distance and up to 6 hours battery life. The Pocket 3 also supports Glamour Effects 2.0, which offers natural skin tone adjustments and facial enhancements. Another awesome improvement is the full pixel fast focusing, which allows you to quickly put something in front of the lens and it will very quickly put it straight into focus. None of that rocking back and forth and that delayed focusing that we would have seen on older models and older versions of this sort of product. The Pocket 3 is available for purchase in 2 ways. You can get the standard Pocket 3 combo, which comes with just the basic Pocket 3 gimbal and a couple of small accessories, or you can get the Pocket 3 Creative Combo, which we unboxed today. That of course comes with the tripod, battery grip, the DJI Mic 2, and the carrying case as well. Well, that's about all the time we have left for today, but thank you so much for joining us for our first look at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you do happen to get your hands on one of these amazing new products, please be sure to tag us. We would love to see the content you are able to capture with this new camera and gimbal system. Subscribe for more DJI content, and we'll see you at the next unboxing video.